Hi, today I want to talk about customer service in 3 different ways: customer relationship management, customer experience, and customer service. How do they relate and how do they differ? We're going to talk about that coming up next on ProjectSkillsMentor.com. Hi, I'm Liz, the Project Skills Mentor, and I'm all about helping you be better at your job. And project management happens to be mine, so if it's yours, or if you're in the customer service area, let's talk about customer services and how these 3 ways can make customer service ultimately the best your company can provide. So I'm going to try to give you some inspiration and some examples. Now let's get the overview by looking at this chart. Customer relationship management tends to be system-centric. Think Salesforce. This is where you're tracking the key data about your customer, what you need to know about them, who your customer is, but also their buying behavior. What do they buy? How often? What price do they buy at? And all of those analytics help you actually serve the customer better. You can also try to help them plan their buying so that it's more beneficial, not just for them, but for you as well. Knowing what your customers want most and what your company does best, and focusing on where those 2 things meet. CRM helps companies do that. Being aware of your competitive edge, where you're weak, and shoring up those weaknesses is really important. The data is there for you to act on. Taking action is what CRM is really meant to be about. Next is customer service, and this is the traditional format of customer service, which is really face-to-face or on the phone. But you tend to be talking to a person, although these days it's bots first, right? You're looking to exceed the customer's expectations. Understanding their wants and needs, answering their questions, getting them the information they need to make a buying decision, or solving a problem with something they've already purchased. This is customer service 101. And this is what's really core to not only gaining new customers, but retaining the ones you've already got. Customer service isn't just a department, it's everyone's job. From buying, logistics, ordering, shipping, and delivering, also understands that customer service is part of their job. So if they see a need, they need to make sure it's addressed. And then there's how to do all of that, which is customer experience. And if you're doing project work, this is generally the place you actually start. Customer experience is the sense of having a journey, understanding a persona. Who is your customer? Tell me so that I could understand who they are and know what their direction is, what their goals are, how they want to behave toward your company, and what they expect in return. You're going to want to create a journey from that information about that user. How will they interact with your people, your tools, and your products? And how will you best serve them in that journey? In the customer experience, you're trying to really explore what the customer wants and maybe what they don't even know they want, but need. If your company is planning for a certain trajectory, but your customers are going some other direction, you've got a problem. So understanding this through customer journey building with your customers, with people inside your team, but also in other parts of the organization, is really important for sustainability and to keep yourself relevant in the marketplace. Another way to look at these 3 points is that it's all customer-centric delivery. Understanding how you start from insights, support, creating a community, and understanding and providing future needs is all in the ecosystem of what customer management is. So 3 tips to remember when you're thinking about this customer continuum. Look ahead. Look for the data that can help you make better decisions and support your customers in making better decisions for themselves. Track satisfaction. Don't just look at the easy metrics. Dig deeper. Ask questions. Do interviews. Meet your customer face-to-face if you can, and help your customer extend their network. It can be something as simple as having an online forum so customers can see and answer each other's questions, or something more complex like having face-to-face meetings with groups of customers. That way they can compare and contrast their needs and wants and give you better insights where the industry is heading. Your customer is your ultimate boss. Being ready to serve them well is important for your business. So if you're a project manager working on a project that's customer-centric, take these ideas and put them into your project. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, consider sharing it, and subscribing to the channel. And if you want to see more on whether customer service is really important for project managers, check out this video. And I'll see you next time on ProjectSkillsMentor.com. Bye-bye, everybody.